So I just received my hybrid mattress, just took it out of the box. What I'm going to do now is use this little tool that it comes with to go ahead and cut out the material so I can go ahead and unroll it and then air it up, and then we'll go over the features. This is super easy to unroll, and once I cut open the package to let the air in, it inflated really quickly, and really with probably in a couple hours, it looked fantastic. I love this material. I mean, it's actually super soft. This actually has over 800 pocket quills, so that way when someone's laying on one side and you're on the other, maybe you're getting up in the middle of the night, the other person's not going to feel it. Now, what I like too is that, I mean, this is a medium firmness, but I'm barely sinking in, but when I'm hopping up and down, the other side is not moving. This does have a cooling effect too with this material. So it's going to actually feel about 10 degrees cooler than the ambient air. This actually has 7 different layers from top to bottom. So the mattress is 12 inches thick. All the stitching around here is just really nice. The material is just nice and comfortable. And I do like the firmness that it gives me on my back. But overall, it's a really nice mattress, and I'm really happy with it. I hope you found this review helpful.